In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Make.com subscription or free trial comfortably from your own device. Whether you've decided that you no longer need the service or simply want to try something new, canceling your subscription is a straightforward process when you know the right steps. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to navigate to the Make.com website using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, ensure that you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary options. If you've forgotten your password, Make.com provides a straightforward password recovery process, so don't hesitate to use it if needed. After logging in, direct your attention to the dashboard where you'll find a variety of options for managing your account. You'll want to locate and click on the subscription tab. This is where you'll find all the information related to your account's current plan and any available actions you can take regarding subscriptions. Once you've accessed the subscription page, you'll need to click on the My Plan button. This area provides detailed insights into your current subscription or trial. Whether you're on a free plan, a free trial, or a paid subscription, understanding this layout is essential as it determines the next steps in the cancellation process. If you happen to be on a free plan and have not availed any trial or paid subscription, you'll notice there's no cancel button available to you. This is because free accounts don't hold a subscription status to cancel. You're essentially already in a no-cost, no-commitment agreement by being there. On the other hand, if you're currently using a free trial or have upgraded to a paid subscription, the subscription tab will present you with options to cancel. If you're on a free trial, you'll see an option to cancel free trial, allowing you to stop the trial before it transitions into a paid plan. Similarly, if you are on a paid subscription, look for the Cancel Subscription button. Clicking this will initiate the cancellation process, and it's crucial to follow any additional confirmations they request. This might include confirming your decision once or twice to ensure you're not accidentally opting out of the service. Bear in mind that, upon cancellation, access to certain features may cease at the end of your billing cycle if you're on a paid plan or immediately if you're under a free trial nearing its end. Thus, make sure you've exported or saved any necessary data before hitting that final confirm button. And there you have it, a clear, concise way to cancel your Make.com subscription or trial. It's always a good idea to double check and ensure you've followed the steps thoroughly to avoid any surprises. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to check out more of our guides if you're looking to explore or manage other digital tools.